Okay, for you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have an AntiPasto pasta salad. Say that 5 times real fast. All right, on a burner over medium-low heat, I have about 10 ounces of salami, and all I'm doing here is just rendering out a little bit of the fat. You just want to crisp it up just a bit. If you do want your salami a little chewier, you don't have to do this step because, as we all know, salami is pre-cooked. All right. Okay, let's make the salad. This is 1 pound of rotini pasta that's been completely cooled. A 12-ounce jar of artichokes that I drained and roughly chopped up. Those are 8 ounces of provolone cut into 1/2-inch cubed. A 1/2 cup of chopped up yellow peppers. The 10 ounces of salami, they've now cooled. The reason you want everything cold is, of course, the cheese. If anything's hot, the cheese is going to melt. And you want to put in about a 1/2 cup of Italian dressing. And that's pretty much it. You just mix this up till it's mixed. And that is a perfectly mediocre antipasto salad. That will get you just by.